Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen California Ocean. This vehicle features a 2-litre TSI petrol engine producing 204 PS. Accompanying this is a DSG automatic transmission. Finished here in the lovely Florida beach blue colour, this example features IQ LED headlights with LED daytime driving lights, and the vehicle also comes with a set of front parking sensors. Down below, the vehicle sits on a set of 18-inch Toshima alloy wheels, finished in a lovely silver colour. Towards the rear of the vehicle, we'll find a rollout awning as well as privacy glass on the windows. Further helping you park and manoeuvre, the California features a rear view camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up the tailgate reveals a large amount of storage space with cupboards and a storage bag on the right and left hand side, as well as some storage space underneath. This example also comes with an electric release tow bar, which with a flick of the switch suits all your trailering needs. In the back of the vehicle we'll find 2 singular seats, as well as everything that you might need on your camping trip away. Included with the California is a single hob burner as well as a sink with a folding tap, and beneath this we'll find a drawer perfect for storing kitchen utensils along with a few charging points. There's also a fridge/cool box located underneath this area, and there's plenty of headspace once the roof has been deployed. In the front 2 seats we'll find 2 armrests each as well as a heated function, and the vehicle also features twin power sliding doors to the rear. In the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system which includes inbuilt navigation as well as allowing you to connect your smartphone device using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Throughout the rest of the centre console we'll find a few quick menu access buttons as well as a variety of charging points, and for the driver there is a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed as well as heated steering wheel, which is paired with a fully digital Volkswagen cockpit display. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen California Ocean. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.